Hi, everyone. I'm Sylvia Melena of Melena Consulting Group and the Nonfiction Book Accelerator Academy. I have here with me, it's not a very pretty box, but it is the very first batch of author copies that I received for the Spanish translation of my English leadership and performance management book, Supportive Accountability. And so I wanted to open up the box for the very first time and I wanted to share it with you. Here we go. The box isn't very pretty. It doesn't look good, but we'll see how the books are inside. That's what matters. All right. So I'm taken aback. This is how the book came out. It's my very first time seeing the actual printed book, and it actually looks pretty good. So here's the spine, front cover, and the back cover. So the printing looks pretty good. As I look through the pages, the printing looks actually amazing. Again, this is from Amazon, KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. I actually have very mixed feelings right now. On the one hand, I'm really happy and I'm excited. And on the second hand, I'm a little disappointed that it took me a long time to get the Spanish translation done. The reason I never translated it is because I had all these lies going through my head. A lot of insecurities, a lot of fears. I thought, what if the Spanish market hates it? What if the translation's bad? What if I get negative reviews? So there was a lot going on in my head. But in spite of the fears and insecurities, I pushed past it. I published it. And guess what? The sky didn't fall. The book didn't do so shabby. It's getting positive reviews by Spanish language speakers. It made it into the #1 Amazon bestseller in the American market, so in the US. It made it to the #1 in Mexico, and it made it to the #2 in Spain. Best of all, the day that I pushed publish and made it available through Ingram Spark to libraries, bookstores, and other retailers at an American university, they bought the very first batch on day 1 of publication. And so I don't know where this book is going to take me or how well it's going to do in the long term, but I'm just happy that I published it. If you have any reservation about getting your book out there, push past that fear and get it done. You never know where your publication is going to take you unless you push the publish button. And if you need a little bit of help and support to get your first book written, published, and launched, I posted some links to helpful resources for you right below this video in the comments. Thanks for watching.